I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's so cold and it's on your tummy. Okay. Just see what you have in your mouth.
It's as cold as ice cream.
It is as cold as ice cream.
It just keeps going.
What?
Drinking and drinking.
And then he pulls away like that. Have to go. My blueberries or smoothie?
I let that. He wants a smoothie.
Yeah.
Almost. She likes the smoothie.
He liked that smoothie. That is so frozen.
I'm surprised because it is so frozen. You know? I would think that he liked warm things better, no?
He's trying to get it out like that.
Mira, papi.
Yum. Did you do that?
Check in.
Was what?
My email.